Good morning, y'all. It is the 4th of July. Say it's the 4th of July. Say something, Ken. Say good morning. Say good morning, Mama. Gotta let milk on the hook chin. Say I'm not missing any meals. Okay, y'all. So it's the 4th of July. And we are going to my people house for the 4th. It's gonna be a few of us, and we just gonna have us a good little time. I bought the boys some fireworks yesterday. They got up some stuff, and they started last night popping firecrackers, but we call them firecrackers, but I know people probably call them fireworks. They started last night popping them, and then they gonna finish up today, whatever they have left over. Which I got a lot of stuff. We got a lot of boom boom and piles and all that kind of stuff. My boys love popping fireworks, so they gonna finish up today. I'll probably record them a little bit today. I didn't bring the camera out since we left for my cousin's birthday little shindig we went on. And so it's been a minute since I picked up this camera, but I'm gonna take y'all along with us today, and I need to edit the other vlog. It's not gonna be long at all, but I'm gonna edit it so I can get it up tomorrow. Yep, because tomorrow is Wednesday. So we hope that y'all are having a great day so far. I say we hope that y'all are having a great day so far. Yeah. Yes, y'all are so cute. We need y'all on a magazine, huh? Say we need to be on a magazine, mama. Anyways, I'm gonna take y'all along with us today. I'm making a pan of jambalaya, and I have to stop and get some drinks or whatever. So I'm gonna take y'all along, show y'all my family a little bit. My dad, it's my dad's side of the family. I don't know if I ever told y'all, but my dad has 12. It was 12 kids that my grandma had, and only one has passed away, which is my auntie. She passed away, and it's still 10 of them plus my dad. So they all are like real close, and that's where we're gonna be at today. But my dad and them is out of town, so we gonna be over there with I think it's only 3 of them in town, and plus my grandmother is she's home. So my grandmother that had 2 kids, she's still alive, and she's here too. She's over there where we're gonna be. So my uncle will be barbecuing. We're gonna make a few sides, and then we're gonna go have us some fun, huh? I love being with my family. I am a family person. I am very family oriented. Anything dealing with family, I love being around. So that's what we're gonna be. Good vibes, good vibes, good vibes. My hair is holding up really nicely, but I think I'm kind of smushing it. But I always bring it back to life. So I need to get some mousse or whatever so I can do it again. I need to get some small curlers and some mousse so I can be able to do it, you know, because I don't want to have to keep running to the hair salon or whatever. So also I'm probably about to start back working. I'm working, but a physical job. So I just want to let y'all know that. And I think I'm going to go ahead and dissolve my cleaning channel, sadly, to just the vlog channel, and I'll just clean on there, you know, whenever I get some time or whenever I have a video to clean. But I ain't gonna say I'm gonna dissolve it, because I may come back on every now and again and just post something on that channel. So you never know what the future holds. I'm not deleting it or anything. I'm just gonna pause it probably for right now, but then again I might get on there and post something. I don't know. I be talking too fast because I never know about me. Y'all, I never know about me, so I know y'all can't keep up. But anyway, so let me get up because I'm finna get ready to start cooking my jambalaya. I'm gonna take y'all along because I know y'all like to watch stuff like that. And I'm finna put the twins, probably put them in their swing and get started for the day because it's almost 10 o'clock. So I just wanted to get on here and do a little introduction for you all. And Yeah, stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so I got the babies down for their first nap since they woke up this morning. I'm about to start on this jambalaya. I needed a plastic pan, but I didn't have one, so I'm just use one of my real ones. Hopefully I got one big enough. I think I do though. Y'all, I got so many clothes to wash. It's ridiculous. Look at this. So I just separated the piles. I'm gonna get the boys to take out this trash bag, and I'm gonna get started on this jambalaya, and I'm gonna be cleaning up as I go. So we're gonna get started so I can get as much done as I can get done while the babies are asleep. I got my music playing, so I won't be able to let y'all hear anything, which is nothing to hear over here anyway. It's still chaotic, but yeah. Alexa, resume the music.
She got one of your AirPods.
Look at Nova. Look at Nova. Why you take the stuff out for him? This boy just light. He don't tell nobody nothing. You know you gotta put them in the thing, huh? Okay.
I'm from money, ho. How was these? It's dangerous. It's a warning. It's dangerous. I got it. Mom, look.
You burnt yourself. You stop slapping it over the side of your head. Joan, you need to bring that on over here.
Just blow down.
You need to blow it over here somewhere. I'll go right here in this road.
Let me go like this. Right here.
Say it.
I think
Say hey, y'all.
Hey, y'all.
What you got?
Like this. Look.
Come on.
This.
Come on. Dad, let you know. Put it back. Junior, where you? Y'all ain't gonna have none later, and I ain't buying no more. I ain't got no more money. You need to do that at nighttime. Y'all gotta go get that trash up. Y'all say good morning.
Good morning.
Hey, stop.
Me and my cocktail in between.
Not the cocktail.
Tell them good morning, Nova.
Boy's supposed to be getting a haircut.
Hold them legs.
Oh, that's so dark.
Yeah, you got a dress on.
Boy's supposed to be getting a haircut, and
Period.
the girls supposed to get their hair comb.
Why they ain't got no? Why they ain't get that haircut they got last time? That table fade. That was so handsome.
I don't know why he won't do it like that no more. Like, I don't know, because I don't be knowing.
Talking about that ball spot head.
No.
No, they had their line.
So, good morning, y'all. We are about to cook some breakfast. We are at my cousin's house, and about to put some sausages in the skillet. And, and I got me some finger waves. I had these so long. Got me some finger waves my cousin did for me yesterday. Girl, don't hurt her.
She's doing her dance.
Cash and Kennedy got like a little slight cold, but they've been taking they've been getting their albuterol treatment, so they've been doing much better. Hey, we come show the people your hair, but this is a mess. This is what we got to tackle today. Ooh wee! She gonna be screaming. Is she?
She gonna be crying.
And I'm gonna take y'all along with us today because I just been slacking on vlogging. So I'm gonna take y'all along with us today and show y'all what we got planned. And I'll be back. Ava got her hair combed. All pretty. Took us a little. Nova, Cash, she finna get her hair combed. And they finna take a little treatment with their machine because they got a little cold.
Baby, don't move now. Baby, don't move. You gotta stand still right now, where I can see you. There's a feeling in my heart so strange. Baby, I don't want you to change. Just stay the same.
Welcome back to another vlog, and today is Monday. I got so much to tell y'all. It's just been all over the place. So the other day when I was telling y'all that I was gonna vlog that day, I ended up not really vlogging that day. But we did go and we went to a couple different places that I need to go. I need to go to the bank. I need to go to City Trends. I was gonna go to East Fashion, but I ended up going to City Trends because I hadn't been there in so long. Did I show y'all what I got? I don't even remember, but I think I did. I'm sure I did. So I just ended up putting Nova on some nice clothes that day and just kind of combing her hair. And they went over to the babysitter that be watching them, and I got me a little free time. So that was good. Right now it's me, Nova, the twins, and Ava, and we are about to get up and go. So I will be starting a new job probably this week. It's not a new job. It's the job that I used to have before I officially got on YouTube. I think I was working this job and I was doing YouTube when I first started out, but I wasn't like big. I ain't big, but I wasn't as big as I am now. So I am gonna still be vlogging. I'm still gonna be doing the vlogs and stuff like that because mommy has a plan. I still want to get my own place, but I want to get something that's actually like mine. So yeah, I was already planning on going back to work. There's something that I had made up in my mind that I want to do. I want to get back in like a physical job, but I also want to do this as well. So the hours are very flexible, and I'll be getting off even before the kids get out of school and stuff. So I'll be able to drop them off to get on the bus and then pick them up from school if I wanted to or whatever. So we'll figure that out easily. But right now we finna go get something from the grocery store to cook, and I'm thinking I'm gonna do fried cabbage again because it was so good the last time I made it. I only made it once, but it was so good, and that's been when the kids was. I don't want no taco. I don't want no spaghetti. You can make your own. You can make your own little pan of spaghetti. How about that?
Real spaghetti, not no spaghetti
Really? You know I'm not talking about no spaghetti, no can. So I'm gonna do the fried cabbage, and then I'm gonna do the lemon pepper wings like my sister made. I know a lot of people want to see that recipe. It's so easy. I didn't actually see her make them, but I know how to make them. So that's probably what I'm gonna cook. And then Ava's talking about she want to do some spaghetti, so she gonna cook her own spaghetti.
Never mind, I'm gonna eat some of your lemon wings.
You gonna eat some of my lemon wings? You can still cook some spaghetti. But yeah, I'm gonna try to take y'all along with us today. I just want to kind of okay. I just want to kind of talk about what's going on because I just be all over the place, but I got a lot going on. So, wait, baby. So, yeah, this week probably gonna be busy. I did want to You know Five Below open them. You know Five Below open. We might need to run out there and see what they got. Just open Five Below, and we're gonna probably ride out there and see what they got up in there since it's brand new. Y'all know I got like a lot of t-shirts and stuff in there for $5, and this is one of them that I'm wearing right now. And these t-shirts last a long time. I done washed this shirt about 10 times, and it still looks like it's brand new. It looks good. So that's one thing I want to go out there and look at, and we're just gonna go around and look out there, and I'm probably gonna take the camera and kind of record. That's the plan. And I need to try to set me another hair appointment because it's almost time for me to get my hair redone. Right now I'm just rocking the finger waves, but I want the other style that I used to have, that I first had, like something similar to that. So I gotta get me an appointment, and depending on when I start working, I have to see. But I'll wait till tomorrow to try to book me an appointment because I don't want to book an appointment and then have to go to work. So, yeah, I'll be back on the working scene. I'm kind of nervous, but it was easy when I was there. And they say it's easier now. So, it's been about 3 years since I've been at the plant. So, we'll see. See, Mama got to make it happen, huh? Say, Mama got to make it happen. No excuses. No excuses. So yeah, y'all, just stick around with us, and we'll take y'all along. Take y'all while I'm cooking that food or whatever, and I'm probably in the vlog after this. Alright, y'all, so we are back. Excuse my hair, it's just a mess. They say, hey, no. I got some stuff from. We got some stuff Five Below, but it wasn't much. They like they still need to like set everything up in there. So we just went there and looked around and came on out. But just in time because my bag broke that I usually keep the twin stuff in, but I got another one, Young, Wild and Free. Came from Five Below. I think it was like $5. Nova got some. Yes, I said Nova. Nova picked up these earrings. And Ava picked up this little dress. It's just like one of those little spaghetti strap dresses that you can wear around the house or wherever you want to wear it, really. This is some the saline nasal mist I have been hearing about. It's called Boogie. So I'm gonna try this in the twins' nose. And I just got a little thing of detergent so I can wash real quick. So I'm finna go ahead and do that, but I'm finna first go ahead and try to fry some of this chicken real quick because that's what I'm cooking. We're gonna cook, so instead of doing the fried cabbage, since it's already kind of late in the evening, I'm just gonna do the lemon pepper wings and the salad as Ava requested. I got a big thing of this oatmeal cereal for the twins. Cash has a tooth growing in the bottom, y'all. So we got some spin wheels, they were on sale. Honey buns, because they were on sale. We got some ranch because I couldn't remember if we had in there or not. Got this salad already ready salad, and then I got some chicken wings, chicken drumette, and then I got some shrimp. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on that.
What can I do? You're so loving and gentle to the core. What can I do when you fill me with happiness and much more? What can I do? You're so stunning, I just can't look away. What can I do? I should know by now, you make my day. Never more will dreams expire. Keep it burning, baby, got this fire on my head. And don't dare to let go, cause each day for you, my love will grow. When you're not here, my heart is screaming out your name. Feels like a heart attack and you can fix the pain. Without you, I will never be the same again. It's you running through my veins. Your love runs through my veins. Your love runs through my veins.
y'all, I finally got that food ready and I am tired. I'm about to eat my food. The twins are asleep. My covers are drying. I'm about to give me some rest. I'm exhausted. Ava's taking a nap right now, so hopefully I can go ahead and eat this food, take me a nap, and be ready for whenever they wake up. Because it's 8:32, so they probably not asleep for the night, but hopefully they are. But I ain't gonna be too hopeful. I'm finally done with the food though, and I'm about to taste it, and I'm gonna let y'all know how it is. I never watched my sister make this. I never watched her make the chicken, so I just called her and asked her what she did or whatever. But hopefully I didn't put too much lemon pepper seasoning on there, but we finna see.